Welcome to my holiday cookware gift guide. Now this gift guide was curated with you in mind. I am not a chef, not a professional chef. I'm your average everyday cook, but I cook a lot. This is coming from someone who cooks every single day for her family. And so these are items you can trust. These are items that are used and worn and tried and tested. And so it's gonna be the best of the best. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, we're jumping into one of my favorite categories, and these are my everyday pots and pans. In talking about these pots and pans, you should either be thinking about yourself and the meals that you cook, if you need to upgrade to these pans as a gift, you know, for yourself, a little treat yourself moment, or you should be thinking about the person that literally in your life that you're shopping for that cooks really frequently. They cook multiple meals a day at home, and they're kind of looking for something that is both functional but beautiful. They're the type of person that they like to look at the aesthetics of a piece of cookware and appreciate it, but also they want the cookware to work really hard for them and perform really well, because that's what we're looking at right here. So my first everyday skillet that I use are two frying pans, essentially the same exact pan in two different sizes. Now this is in a gorgeous kind of like, what would I call this? Like gray graphite color. They come in multiple colors. They're from the brand Maiden. This is a small frying pan. I fry my eggs in this. It's non-stick, non-toxic, and it's durable. It works really well. It's dishwasher safe, you know? So if you're the type of person where you're like,
I cannot have a pan that I cannot put in the dishwasher,
then this is the type of skillet that's for you or for your friend who is similar to that. And the second one is the same pan. It actually is just a little bit bigger. So this is if you need more surface area, right? You're frying more eggs, or you're making maybe a stir fry, you need more surface space. This is what you're gonna wanna grab for. They do come in a little duo, kind of like that, or you can buy them separately. I reach for these things more than I would like to say. Probably the number one thing I use for like a breakfast or lunch situation. They're just really great pans. They're beautiful, they're durable, and I absolutely love them. So if you're upgrading your everyday skillet, I call it like my workhorse, right? If you really want two nice workhorse pans or skillets or frying pans, whatever you want to call them, these two nonstick Maiden frying pans are for you. The next everyday pot or pan, and it might not be every day for you, but again, I'm a family of four. I'm cooking kind of like bigger batch dishes. I like to make things like soups and stews and more like comforting, brothy meals. If I'm speaking your language, then this is the type of pot you're gonna want to upgrade to. A lot of people have questions about Dutch ovens. A Dutch oven is essentially a cast iron skillet that comes in like a pot format, similar to this. I'm not gonna spend this whole video educating on the sizes and quart sizes of Dutch ovens. This is one of the larger sizes of Dutch ovens. I believe this is an 8 quart. You kind of want to think about the quart in terms of serving size. So if you're a family of 2 or 3, a 4 quart, more than enough. So you can get this same pan in whatever quart size makes sense for you. But this is the type of pot that you can pass down generation after generation. Buy it once and it's done. You don't really need to keep buying Dutch ovens over and over. So this is a staple item. This one is by the brand Stobe. Any brand works. I'm gonna link kind of like the top tier items below in the description, you know, from a brand standpoint. I'm also gonna link entry price points for cast iron Dutch oven pan. You don't need the most expensive one. This is just the brand that I have. I also have the brand Maiden. I also have a Lodge. They all perform really well. It just depends, again, on the aesthetic that you're going for. This is a beautiful gift because I feel like this is the thing that like every home cook wants, but sometimes they don't pull the trigger on. So, you know, if you're looking to gift a home cook in your life something beautiful, sustainable, long lasting, I definitely recommend a beautiful Dutch oven pot. Last but not least in this category is a pan that you guys see all the time in many different colors, all over my pages, all over my cooking videos. This is the Always pan. We all know and love it by the brand Our Place. This pan is essentially, has multiple uses. It can be used for pretty much anything. That is their kind of like claim to fame with their Our Place pan, the Always pan. And this pan in particular is in such a gorgeous espresso color, first of all. This is one of the limited edition releases from this year, so I'm not sure if this actual colorway is still available, but all all the colors of the rainbow. They literally have on their website, which is really fun. So you can kind of like pick, depending on your personality or your friend's personality or your mom's personality, what always pan you're gonna gift them. It makes such a lovely gift. Even if you're not like an everyday in the kitchen cook, you want this out in your kitchen because it's so aesthetically pleasing. So it definitely makes a great gift for the person who either they just bought a new house, they have a new apartment, or they're just getting their kitchen together. If that's you, you definitely need the Our Place pan, always pan in your collection. So these aren't everyday pans, so I did not categorize them in that first category we just went through, but these are also staples and such great gifts. I received both of these as gifts and y'all, I was over the moon. So this is just your traditional cast iron skillet. I got this maybe 5 years ago and I've used it every single week since. A lot of my recipes call for going from the stove to the oven, and that is exactly how you utilize a cast iron skillet. We all know and love a cast iron skillet. This one is from, again, the brand Stove. They come in different sizes. I believe this is a 12-inch cast iron skillet, which for me just works for the majority of the recipes that I make. Again, this is one of those things that the cook in your life, or even you need to kind of upgrade to a decent cast iron skillet, because the one that you have, you accidentally put it in the dishwasher and it rusted and it's jacked up. So this is the type of cast iron skillet you would upgrade to. Or maybe you're shopping for your dad and he recently started to barbecue outside during the summer. This is a really cool item to add to a collection of someone who just started really experimenting with different cooking techniques, because it's just such a versatile piece of cookware and long lasting. We love a sustainable gift that keeps on giving. That's exactly what a cast iron skillet is. Now, we just saw the Our Place Always pan. This is the pot version. So they do sell this pot with the pan in a duo, like a little bundle, but you can also buy these separately. She's gorgeous on the inside. This is the type of piece you need when you're, again, thinking about making soups, stews, gumbos. The difference with her versus a Dutch pot or a Dutch oven, she's way lighter, light as a feather. She is durable, she's non-stick, she's not as high maintenance as cast iron. And again, she's gorgeous, aesthetically pleasing. You can have this out with your Always pan, and honestly, that takes care of a kitchen that does a lot of cooking. So those two pans together are always my recommendation. But again, we like options, right? We like options. Another quick transitional piece right before we transition fully into more bakeware options. Nested bowls. I feel like bowls are so underrated. Again, if you just moved into a house, just moved into an apartment, or you're just building out your kitchen essentials in general, some good mixing bowls, hello? And they don't even have to be just mixing bowls. I use these a lot for like salads. If I'm doing some hosting stuff and I need a bigger presentation, I usually grab for these bowls. They do come in a set just like this, and they're from the brand Our Place. So the same brand that makes the pots and pans I just showed you. They also make these gorgeous bowls. I just felt like I had to show you these because I reach for them so much, y'all, when it comes to mixing pancake batter, when it comes to even marinating or seasoning or serving, whatever the case is. A couple of sets of these makes such a great, useful, functional gift. And they're not your standard just glass bowls that you can find on Amazon. They're just like a little signature, aesthetically pleasing, beautiful, durable. We love her. She makes a great gift. If y'all have been following me for a while, and even if you haven't, y'all know I'm a girl who loves her oven. So bakeware has to make sense. And I'm not just talking about your cupcakes and this and all of that, baking sweets, but I love recipes that just utilize my oven. So I'm making casseroles, I'm making one-pot dishes that again are assembled and then just thrown into the oven. I need really great bakeware. So I went through all of my bakeware items and pulled the ones that I use the absolute most and the ones that have just really been amazing at durability. They withstand heat really well, they conduct heat really well, and they're really pretty and simple and gorgeous and traditional, but also modern. So these are the ones I came up with. Again, a lot of the things that I have either come in a set of 2, which I think makes a great gift because what's better than 1? 2, right? We have these nested rectangular bakeware dishes. These are from the brand Stove. What I love most about these, whenever I'm baking, my #1 issue is that the right size. am I making that much food? Am I making that little bit of a food? Like, I don't know. So I struggle with sizing stuff appropriately in the right dish. And for some reason, this little duo, the sizing is perfect on it. This is when I want to make something really small and cute for my 2 toddlers. And then this is usually pretty decent if I want to make it for all 4 of us, but not like a gigundo amount, right? A gigundo. I don't even know how you spell that. Anyway, I have found that I have used this set so much. Honestly, weekly, I'm reaching for 1 of the 2 of these. This is great because it fits in the air fryer actually. And so if you're making a cute little pasta bake or something like that, you don't want to turn the oven on, this fits in the air fryer. And then this size is great because again, it's not your, I think 9 by 12 is the standard rectangular baking dish. I don't have one out now, but it's just a little shy of that. And so this has been really great for me for like breakfast casseroles, or even if I'm just baking a little dessert and I don't want it to be too big. I really love this set. Again, Stobe is the brand for this, but I'm gonna link similar ones because I do feel like there are options out there. Love this as a gift. We have seen her, we love her. She is a griddle pan. So many brands are making this now, but this again, this is not sponsored by Our Place, y'all. I promise. It should be though. This is my favorite weekend pan, I call her, because if it's Saturday morning, baby, this pan is gonna hate to see me coming because it's me again. Hi. She is a griddle pan. So how I use her, I make my pancakes, I make my eggs. I do everything for breakfast, usually on this pan. French toast. What else have I done? French toast, pancakes, eggs, obviously sausage, bacon. Your traditional griddle breakfast that I would make outside, but hello, it's 28 degrees right now. I make on this pan. Isn't she cute? She's ceramic and she's non-stick. You could put her in the dishwasher if you need to, but honestly, she's so easy to hand wash because again, the non-stick enamel makes it really easy for the food to just slide right off. And they sell her in a couple of colors. They even have her, I think, in 2 sizes now. So this is the large size, but she also comes in like a half sheet, like a little mini. And the best thing about this pan is you can use her as a griddle, but you can also use her as a sheet pan. So you can bake your cookies on these. You can roast chicken on this. I've literally made everything that you can think of on this sheet pan and used it for multiple recipes. So a versatile item, not one that you need, right? It's not like a must-have, but think about how great of a gift this is for someone who thinks they have it all in the kitchen. You know, you bust out this on them as a gift and they're like, oh girl, thank you. You know, I know, I would love to receive this. I actually would love to receive this in the smaller size and maybe in another color or 2. You could just literally not have too many of them. All right, y'all, I promise we're gonna get out of here. This is the last category. This would kind of be like a stocking stuffer category, not necessarily a stocking stuffer price point for every item I'm going to show, but it's just a catch-all miscellaneous category of things that I just absolutely love in my kitchen that I reach for pretty much every day that are a little unique and niche, but I think make absolutely great gifts. One is this gorgeous knife that I actually just received as a gift. So this is a chef's knife, not for your everyday, or excuse me, not for the person who is not cooking every day. This type of knife might scare that person, but this is for auntie who cooks every single day. But every time you go to her house, you see her struggling with her knives because people have really dull knives in their kitchens because when you use your knives every day, they become dull. I'm gonna butcher the pronunciation, but I believe it's from the brand Wusthof. This is a German-made knife and it's called the Classic Icon. The first time I used this knife was maybe, I don't know, a few months ago, and I have not put it down since. I'm a chef's knife girly. I love a big knife for pretty much everything. We have several of them, but this is the one I cannot stop reaching for. She's stunning, she's gorgeous. She is basically versatile because again, I use her for everything. You could cut your fruit, you could cut your meat. She's super sharp, she's durable. We throw her in the dishwasher. I love her. Next item that I absolutely love. Anytime this shows up in a video, best believe I'm getting 10 comments or questions. All it is an immersion blender. So you see that little blade at the bottom? It's from the brand Cuisinart. I use this for basically hand blending anything. So most notably, hand blending my oatmeal while it's still in the pot. I like a smoother oatmeal. Hand blending soups while they're still hot. Maybe you have a chunky gravy and it needs to get smoothed out. You don't want to transfer it to a blender. A hand immersion blender changes the game. Fluffy eggs, blend it out with this. Anything that you just don't want to put in a big old blender, you can use an immersion blender. She is fabulous, she is wonderful, she's cordless. Just a really great gadget or tool, again, for the person in your life, maybe it's you, where you have all of these pots and pans. Your pot and pan game, your cookware game is crazy, but your kitchen tools and things that will make you more efficient in the kitchen could use a little love. An immersion blender is definitely that girl. The other two items are things that we basically like upgraded to over the years. So we love blenders, we have a huge blender, but a smaller, more personalized blender. I found myself using this one a lot when I was like starting my children with food, basically pureeing small batch things. If you're making one sweet potato and you need to puree it, this beast blender is amazing for that because these attachments come in different sizes, right? So if you want a smoothie, but you only want a half a batch of a smoothie, a personal size smoothie, then you use this edition or you use the bigger one. I love this because it's quiet, it's not super loud, it's beautiful. They probably have even like a newer version now. This one's a few years old, but I wanted to show this because there's so many like, what do you call them? Smoothie blender things on the market. But this I use for sauces, I use for essentially anything I want to puree really quick. Cocktails, small batch cocktails. It's just such a great option. I think she's beautiful too. So she makes a really great gift. All right, y'all. So the last item in this gift guide is this cutie patootie. It is a 4-cup Cuisinart mini food processor, basically. It's called a Mini Prep Plus. I use it to trick my kids when I'm trying to make hidden veggie sauce or hidden veggie anything. Food processors are great, but y'all know how big and bulky a food processor is. It'll take up your whole cabinet just trying to store it. But this one's so messy. I use it so often, but it just makes such a great gift. I believe it's under $100 and it's a great brand. It's quality, it's sharp, it's fast. The blade does what it needs to do. You can quickly chop or you can grind in this. It's just such a handy kitchen tool. One of those things, again, that you probably wouldn't think to buy for yourself or someone else, but just such a great if this person in your life has every kitchen gadget or tool you can think of. They likely don't have a mini food processor. So that's a fun one. We have gone through all the categories, but you know what? For sticking around, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So if you've made it to this point in the video, go ahead and comment below what item you cannot wait to receive or add to your wish list. And guess what? I'm gonna pick one random comment and I'm going to purchase that item for you and send it to you so it makes it to you in time before Christmas. So drop a comment, say,
Hey Natasha, I'm from Florida and I can't wait to receive the Le Creuset Flame Brazier that you showed because it is such a stunning piece of cookware.
I'm just looking for a little comment like that so I can engage back with y'all, so I can get to know y'all. I love my YouTube fam so much. It has been such an incredible year to be on YouTube for me. I have hit some amazing, amazing milestones on this channel this year. I have 100,000 subscribers to thank for that. So thank y'all for getting me to that milestone. So yeah, drop that comment. That's all you have to do. You can enter to win your favorite item that you saw here. And I might even pick 2 winners. I'll go ahead and just blow these comments up. We'll see what happens. I hope you have the most beautiful holiday season that is blessed and highly favored and full of overflow. I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one.